Section 9, Tilt Angle and Solar Panel Alignment. Lecture number 1, Solar Panel Alignment, Part 1. Learning objectives of lecture number 1. Learner should able to know the concept of tilt angle. Learner should able to understand the significance of solar panel tilt angle. Now, what is the solar panel tilt angle? Tilt angle is the angle at which the solar panel makes with the horizontal line or the datum surfaces. Whenever a solar panel is tilted at an angle of theta angle, let's say, with respect to the horizontal datum surface, that theta angle with inclination with the horizontal surface is nothing but the tilt angle. The solar panel angle of your solar system is different depending on which part of world you are. Basically, the solar panel tilt angle, it depends upon the latitude on which, or the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere where the solar panel is being installed, and which latitude it will going to be installed. Solar panel gives highest energy output when they are directly facing the sun. Basically, whenever there is a direct normal solar radiation has been incident over a solar panel, that time solar panel gives the highest energy output. So it is very much important to set a solar panel tilt angle to get a maximum output from the solar radiation. The sun moves across the sky and will be low or high depending on the time of the day and the season. For that reason, the ideal angle is never fixed. Basically, in the winter time, in the summer time also, and in the daytime, morning time, afternoon and evening time, there is a difference between a sun movement and the cloudiness in the sky, and there is a solar radiation transition that time. So the solar radiation indifference, because of which the tilt angle is never been fixed. It varies according to the winter season, summer season, rainy season, and in the daytime season also. To get the most sun reaching the panel throughout the day, you need to determine what direction the panel should face and calculate an optimal tilt angle. This will depends on where you live and what time of year you need most of the solar energy. Basically, in this first diagram, there is a winter solstice. That time the tilt angle is more vertical, so that the solar radiation is falling at an angle of 90 degree with respect to the solar panel. In the spring and the fall equinoxes, the angle is approximately 45 degree, so that the solar radiation will fall over the panel at an angle of 90 degree. In the summer solstice, the panel is more horizontal, because at the summer time the sun rays are falling directly over the panel. Therefore, the tilt angle of a panel in the summer season is more horizontal. Basically, in the later lectures, we will see how this panel are set, or their angle is going to set according to the season and according to the daytime. Calculating the optimal solar panel angle. As a rule of thumb, solar panel should be more vertical during winter to gain most of the low winter sun, and more tilted horizontally during summer to maximize the output. Basically, the year round solar tilt angle is as good as latitude angle. In most of the solar installations, the solar installer put a solar angle, tilt angle as good as a same angle of latitude. But to get an accurate power, or to get a maximum power, we should modify this formula. Here simple methods for calculating approximate solar panel angle according to your latitude. In the later lecture, we will going to see in detail how the panel are get set, or how to calculate the tilt angle.